Capacity AI is a powerful AI platform that promises to streamline your business operations. But before you dive in, there are a few key things you need to know. Whether you're considering it as an alternative to tools like Zendesk or Intercom, or you're just getting started with AI-powered solutions, stick around because I'll walk you through 7 crucial points you should understand before making your decision. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Capacity AI is the right fit for your business. Let's jump right into it. First up, Capacity AI offers a highly customizable platform that stands out from competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk. While those tools are more rigid, Capacity AI allows for more flexibility in terms of integrations. This means you can tailor it to fit your company's specific needs, whether you're managing customer service or automating workflows across multiple departments. Next thing to consider is the learning curve. While some users report an easier time getting started with platforms like Intercom, Capacity AI's initial setup may take a bit longer, especially if you want to get the most out of its customization features. However, once you've got it running, the long-term payoff is clear. Unlike other platforms that may require you to hire additional help, Capacity AI can reduce your need for external support due to its self-service AI capabilities. You can set it up to handle basic customer service, internal knowledge sharing, and even repetitive tasks, all without constantly checking in with a support team. The third thing you'll want to know is how robust the AI really is. Many AI tools offer chatbots or basic automation, but Capacity AI is a step ahead. It's built to understand context, meaning it can handle more complex customer inquiries than your typical chatbot. The natural language processing is more advanced than you might find in competitors, enabling it to answer questions with greater accuracy. This means your team can focus on the tough issues while the AI handles the repetitive ones. Now, here's the fourth thing: pricing. Capacity AI operates with a pricing model that's transparent and scalable. Unlike some competitors, you're not stuck with a flat, one-size-fits-all fee. You only pay for what you use, and this makes it easier for small businesses to get started and grow with the platform. So, if you're hesitant about jumping into a subscription with another service that might not be scalable, Capacity AI offers a much more adaptable solution. Fifth thing to know: integrations. If you're already using tools like Salesforce, Google Workspace, or Slack, you'll be happy to know that Capacity AI plays well with them. This gives you the power to integrate your data seamlessly across different platforms without the risk of data silos. It's one of the reasons why Capacity AI is great for businesses that already have an established tech stack. The sixth thing to consider is its reporting and analytics. If you're someone who thrives on data to make business decisions, then you'll love the reporting capabilities here. Compared to other AI solutions like Zendesk or Freshdesk, which provide basic insights, Capacity AI digs deeper into your operations. It provides actionable analytics on customer interactions, employee performance, and system usage, allowing you to make data-driven decisions faster. The seventh and final thing to know before buying Capacity AI is its customer support. While competitors like Intercom are known for their 24/7 live chat, Capacity AI sets itself apart with a dedicated customer success manager for enterprise-level clients. This means you get more personalized support, and this can make a significant difference if you're running a complex operation or have specific needs that need to be addressed quickly. If you're still on the fence about whether Capacity AI is the right solution for your business, I highly recommend giving it a try for free. You can test out its features and see how it aligns with your company's needs without any pressure to commit right away. Just click the first link in the description below to get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits. In summary, Capacity AI offers a range of features that could give your business a competitive edge, but it's important to understand the platform's strengths and limitations before diving in. From its customization options to its robust AI capabilities, this platform has the potential to make your business operations more efficient. If you're ready to explore Capacity AI further, click the first link in the description below to get started with your free trial and unlock some exclusive benefits today.